Throughout the last year, I have been privileged to work with the leadership of the WICPA and the WICPA staff, who not only have been quick to pivot where needed, but have stayed committed to our strategic goals, promoting the value of WICPA membership and promoting the value of the CPA brand. As we wrap up our fiscal year on April 30th, I'm excited to share what we've accomplished for members over the last year. An opportunity arose to promote the profession during an Executive Insights video, advertisement, and article with the Milwaukee Business Journal, reaching over 200,000 subscribers. My highlights for the interview included the numerous areas of opportunity and careers for CPAs, as well as promoting the resilience of the profession and how CPAs are essential to the success of businesses and the economy coming out of the pandemic and going forward. WICPA Connect, the members-only online community, featured daily news posts to our website, and emails kept members updated with current news, legislation, and IRS updates. Connect has continued to be a valuable resource for immediate and timely updates, also providing members the setting to ask questions and conversations among their peers. Although we could not meet in person for the last 2 years, we continued our outreach to every newly licensed CPA from 2020 and 2021 to recognize their accomplishment and sent each of them a governor's signed wall certificate and some WICPA branded congratulatory items. CPA to Be, our student and educator publication, added a new column called Note to Self, in which CPA professionals write notes to their college student selves to give them a glimpse of their future. As COVID restrictions opened up, we started to get back into the colleges and high schools in late fall to promote the CPA profession to students. Our foundation board also took a deep dive into scholarships and updated the criteria to allow students pursuing the CPA credential to apply for scholarships sooner in their accounting education. The foundation also awarded accounting awareness grants to high school educators to take their classes on field trips to learn about different areas of accounting, as well as provided updated accounting software and accounting tools for their classrooms. We also had members volunteer into several classrooms in April for the Reading Makes Sense program, promoting financial literacy to students in kindergarten through 4th grade. The foundation provided books, maze pens, and a growth and money savings chart for each student. For some accounting humor, we added some cartoons called Incremental Maturity from a CPA cartoonist to our publications. We hope you have enjoyed them. Wisconsin is no longer the outlier of the 55 licensing jurisdictions that does not have CPE for CPA licensure. However, as the new Wisconsin CPE requirements for renewal took effect on December 14, 2021, CPAs had numerous questions on the renewal form and CPE compliance and came to the WICPA for answers. I worked with the Accounting Examining Board to address any questions, update the FAQs on the WICPA website, and help clarify the renewal process. We provided quality CPE in a virtual format in convenient time increments and with a variety of topics. We also were able to put out immediate programs on the current issues such as the K2, K3 filing. We were excited to hold the popular Individual Income Tax Update Breakfast program in multiple locations across the state as participants were able to attend in person or virtually. Several free programs were offered to members to assist with completing CPE requirements. The programs included a technology series, ethics, fraud, remote work, and cybercrime, to name a few. Although we were not able to hold the 2021 Member Recognition Banquet in person, I took the opportunity to safely hand-deliver the Excellence Awards to the recipients and take some photos to incorporate in the virtual Member Recognition program. As we monitored COVID restrictions and safety of our members, we were able to shift and prepare to hold in-person events. We were able to hold our golf outing this last September, which nearly sold out, and we held our first in-person conference in 2 years, almost to the date COVID shut everything down. The Business and Industry Spring Conference was held on March 16th at the new Brookfield Conference Center. Bowling night had increased attendance, and we are very excited and getting ready to hold our membership recognition banquet in person in May. The CPA Pipeline is an ongoing discussion among the WICPA Board of Directors, staff, and educators, in addition to collaboration with other state CPA societies. We are continuing to evaluate and develop strategies with an implementation plan for the WICPA, so stay tuned for our new fiscal year update in the next few weeks to hear more about those initiatives. The WICPA and WICPA Educational Foundation continued our 25-plus year partnership and support of the Young Entrepreneurial Scholars Program. The goal of the YES program is to expand opportunities for minority students and increase diversity in the accounting profession. We also partnered with NABA and James Madison High School to provide volunteers and mentors to assist with their Career Day and Entrepreneur Series. We've had success this last year with advocacy efforts and continue to build valuable relationships with legislators, leaders, and agencies. I will have a separate video to focus on our successes this last year, including stopping legislation that would have negatively impacted the profession and business in Wisconsin. This legislation will be coming back this fall. And then I will discuss what we hope to accomplish in the coming year with the legislature. When I look back on this year and see the impact what COVID-19 has brought us, both personally and professionally, effects that may now be a permanent part of our lives, we still see things that brought us into the profession, a desire to help and serve others, to be part of a respected community, and to make a difference. Those things will never change. Thank you for your continued membership and your commitment to the accounting profession, for your donations to the WICPA Educational Foundation, and contributions to our legislative funds. You have made these initiatives possible.